Many homeowners here in California are struggling to get insurance coverage now that multiple insurance companies have limited policies or have stopped doing business in our state. The governor says he has a plan to bring insurers back to California. One consumer advocacy group, though, says it's a bad deal for home and business owners. KTVU's Ali Rasmus in studio to explain. Ali.
Well, we've been hearing for months that insurance companies are fleeing California, leaving homeowners in the dark. State Farm recently announced it would not be renewing more than 72,000 policies in the state. Governor Gavin Newsom says in order to bring some of those insurance carriers back to California, the state needs to make it easier and simpler for them to do business here. The governor wants lawmakers to approve a proposal that would let insurance companies make changes to their rates and policies more quickly. Now, right now, if a carrier wants to increase rates or offer any type of policy change, the state's insurance commission has to approve it. And sometimes that approval process can take months, even years. Under the governor's plan, it would have to be approved within 120 days, no longer than that. The governor says this sped-up timeline cuts out red tape. Consumer Watchdog group, though, however, argues that it will remove valuable oversight and make it easier for insurance companies to make their rates more expensive. One industry analyst says he is optimistic, though, that the change will bring insurance providers back.
It doesn't change their ability to do anything differently. It doesn't change their oversight. It doesn't change their ability to do things. It just changes the amount of time it'll take for them to get a response from the Department of Insurance.
That will make it harder for the public to protest and challenge improper rates and practices.
More than 30 years ago, California voters passed Prop 103. It set limits on the amount that insurance rates can go up at a single time. The governor's office says his plan doesn't change that part of Prop 103, but it does shorten the amount of time the state has to approve any changes, including changes or price increases. And that's what the Consumer Watchdog group, which wrote Prop 103, says it is worried about, costs going up more quickly if they're approved more quickly. And the governor wants state lawmakers to add his insurance plan to the overall state budget bill as a so-called trailer bill. That state budget must be approved by lawmakers by June 15th. Andre?
All right, Ali, thank you.